हेलो व्यूअर्स, आज के वीडियो में हम अपने एक स्टूडेंट के साथ आइल्स स्पीकिंग टेस्ट कंडक्ट करने जा रहे हैं। हिज नेम इज़ नेहल। नेहल हमारे साथ 1 मंथ से है और ही वाज रियली डूइंग वेल। सो उसकी प्रोग्रेस को देखते हुए वी सजेस्टेड हिम टू बुक हिज एग्जामिनेशन एंड अभी कुछ दिनों में उसका रियल टाइम स्पीकिंग एग्जामिनेशन भी है। सो जिसका की रिज़ल्ट हम डेफिनेटली पोस्ट करेंगे अपने पेज पे। सो गाइज, आज का जो इंटरव्यू होगा वो बिल्कुल स्पॉन्टेनियस होगा। स्टूडेंट हैज़ नो आइडिया कि हम उसको क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाले हैं, राइट? एंड गाइज, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द इंटरव्यू, डू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोस। So we'll be starting with part 1 of the test and I'll be asking you few introductory questions. Okay. Right? May I know your full name?
Yes, my full name is Nehal Thakur.
How may I address you?
You can call me by my first name Nehal.
Where do you come from?
I come from Chandigarh. It is a small yet a very famous city. It is one of the union territories of our country and also the capital of 2 states, Punjab and Haryana.
Do you play any indoor game?
Yes, I love to play table tennis. In the evening, whenever I get free time, I play it with my younger brother, and also I have a PS4, so I play a lot of games on that.
Do you prefer to play indoor games or outdoor games?
I think outdoor games are more beneficial than indoor games as they require physical energy, and one can also learn new things, new strategies and skills. It also increases the team bonding between the friends who are playing it.
What sorts of indoor games do children play now?
Nowadays, children like to play online games on their phones, and also on PS4 or PS5. There are many games like Call of Duty, which I also like to play.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I love them a lot. My favorite game is Call of Duty Black Ops, and it is a first person shooting game, and it is loved by the youngsters all over the world.
Is it good for young people to play video games?
I think children should play video games for a restricted amount of time, as large exposure to blue screen is not good for their mental health and also for their eyesight.
So this was the end of part 1. Now we'll be starting with part 2. In this part, I'll be giving you a topic and then you'll be given 1 minute to prepare on that topic, and then you have to speak on it for 2 minutes.
Okay.
This is your cue card topic. Start speaking.
One activity that I like to do the most is cooking, and I would love to be a chef in the future. As a child, I used to watch a lot of television shows, and one of them was Kitchen Nightmare, which starred a celebrity chef named Gordon Ramsay, who is renowned all over the world for his culinary skills. After watching that show, I came to know about the domain of cooking, as in my country there are only a handful of chefs which are famous, and it is also not a very common job for the males in India. So I was intrigued and fascinated after watching the show, and also thought of pursuing my career in the same field. I decided to make a few dishes after watching the recipe that was posted online by my favorite chef, that is Gordon Ramsay, and it came out pretty well. And the job of a chef is not very easy, as they have to do a lot of work at the same time, or I would say that multitasking, and they have a lot of things at stake. The main thing is their reputation, as they are the head of a restaurant, and the image of a hotel or a restaurant is made by their food that is provided. And moreover, the customer nowadays are very smart due to the advent of technology, and also post their reviews about the hospitality and also the food that they were catered there. So a chef has to make a poll in his mind and has to deliver his best at every time and every day throughout the year. And I think that this job is perfect for me because I am always fascinated about the idea of cooking, and I am also a foodie too and enjoys to eat very much. And then chefs also receives a handsome pay scale, and that is also one of the point due to which I would love to do this job.
So this is end of part 2, and now we'll be starting with part 3. Right? So in this I'll be asking you few follow-up questions.
Okay.
What are the most popular jobs in your country?
In India, the most popular jobs are of engineers and the doctors, as most of the parents want their children to do engineering and to pursue in the medical field, as it is one of the most difficult tasks and also require a lot of mental energy.
Which type of occupation should be given a better pay?
In my opinion, the labor workers who make houses for people should be given more payment, as they receive very low amount of money and they work all day in the sun. And it is a very difficult job because they are also not given the status that is equal to the normal people. So I think their pay scale should be increased.
Is being rich a good thing?
Yes, being rich is a good thing, as the person can experience all the types of things that are in the world, and moreover he or she can donate easily, which is not a very normal thing for the middle class people.
Do you think people should save for the future?
Yes, saving is a very important activity, as we are not known of the future, and anything sudden could change a life in a split of a second. So a person should save for his future, and it should be done regularly.
What makes a person choose a job apart from the pay it offers?
Apart from the pay scale, a person would love to do a job which is based on his personal interest, and also the comfortability that he or she wants. Apart from this, a person would like to do a job that benefits the society or the country in different ways.
So this was the end of our test. So guys, अब हम ये इंटरव्यू इवैल्यूएट करेंगे. So फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया हमारा है फ्लुएंसी एंड कोहेरेंस. फ्लुएंसी और कोहेरेंस में बहुत ज़्यादा हम देखेंगे पॉजेस तो नहीं थे, तो पॉजेस नहीं थे, बट कुछ सेल्फ करेक्शंस मुझे ज़रूर नज़र आई. तो बट क्योंकि कुछ थी तो वी कैन इग्नोर दैट थिंग. उसके अलावा जो कनेक्टर्स थे यूज़ किए हुए थे बट बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग बेटर हो सकता था. बट आई विल गिव 6.5 इन फ्लुएंसी एंड कोहेरेंस. सो नेक्स्ट जो हमारा क्राइटेरिया दैट इज लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज. सो लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज में वील सी वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स. तो ही यूज गुड वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स जैसे रिनाउंड, इंट्रीग्ड, fascinated, culinary skills. So vocabulary is good. उसके अलावा paraphrasing भी की हुई थी, and कुछ words थे जो और improve हो सकते हैं, जैसे low amount of money की जगह low wages use किया जा सकता था. So definitely improvements can be there. And guys, collocations भी use की हुई है नेहल ने, so which is good. And he used words such as team bonding, more beneficial, all over the world. Idiomatic language use की हुई है, handful of things at stake, right? So definitely. And he used good words like advent of technology, multitasking. सो लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज अच्छे थे बट बेटर डेफिनेटली हो सकते हैं. कुछ क्वेश्चंस के जब आंसर में आई डेंट फाइंड वेरी गुड वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स और बेटर वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स, सो उसकी वजह से आई गेव 6.5 इन लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज. So guys, next criteria is grammatical range and accuracy. इसमें we'll see कि grammatical errors कितने थे और range कैसी थी sentences की, like simple sentences थे, complex थे, compound sentences थे. तो definitely he used compound sentences, he used complex sentences. उसके अलावा grammatical errors कुछ ज़रूर थे. Like he said, you can call me, उसकी जगह he should say you may call me. And then he said I am a foodie too and enjoys to eat. So I के साथ enjoys नहीं आएगा. I के साथ he could have said enjoy eating. So ये कुछ mistakes थी. So इसकी वजह से I'll give 6 in this particular criteria. Next is pronunciation. Pronunciation was good. So बहुत सारे जो वर्ड्स थे, मोस्टली जितने भी वर्ड्स थे वो करेक्ट प्रोनाउंस किए हुए थे एंड ईजीली अंडरस्टैंडेबल था. द इंटायर कन्वर्सेशन, इंटोनेशन वाज गुड. सो प्रोनाउंसिएशन में आई गिव 7. सो गाइज, जब हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो इस इंटरव्यू का बैंड स्कोर जो होगा दैट विल बी 6.5 बैंड. कैमरा के सामने everyone gets conscious, so otherwise the student is actually scoring 7. तो ठीक है, but I told you about all the mistakes. और आप खुद ट्राई करो कि ये सब mistakes आप अपनी speaking में ना करो to improve your speaking. And in few days we'll be posting his real-time examination result on our page. So let's see कि उसमें इसके कितने स्कोर आते हैं, especially in speaking. So जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दो so that you are updated जैसे ही हम न्यू वीडियो पोस्ट करते हैं. And alright guys, thanks for watching.